Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 1st, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner of the video at the end. And don't forget to take a look at my website to gain access to all these benefits listed below and more. So the US dollar CAD did go down. We do have a breaker structure. I am definitely still very, very bullish on the higher time frames. I'm still looking at this as likely making an uptrend over the next probably several weeks to make a wave C. I still think there's a very good chance that this is an ABC of two also. So good could lead to a really good trading opportunity potentially when this wave C is over. But on the shorter time frames, I think we are definitely in an uptrend. I kind of suspect that this might be the end of a wave one, so be a little bit on the cautious side. It does kind of look like a one, two, three, four, five. Whether or not it's a complete wave one or not, I don't really know, but we do have a breaker structure. Makes me think that this is going to turn into a bigger correction, maybe go down to one of these lower fib levels before it continues the uptrend. Now, the problem is we're in an uptrend on the higher time frames, and whether or not it's going to actually make this wave two is up in the air. It potentially could have just made like a little expanding ABC correction and just end up continuing the uptrend from here. So definitely primarily focus would definitely be looking for longs in an uptrend. Whether it makes a bigger pullback or not, I guess we'll just have to watch and see. Either way, I'm definitely looking for longs at the end of all pullbacks I see, hopefully for the continuation of the higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.